I'm going to look at another log problem here. 2 to the x equals 3. What is the value of x? So, if coming into this class beforehand, if these two bases could somehow be the same, we could solve for x. So for example, if this was instead 2 to the x equals 4, I could rewrite it like this. 2 to the x equals 2 squared, because 4 is also 2 squared. Then I could say x equals 2, because these guys up here, if the bases are the same, the powers or the exponents have to be the same. However, we can't do this because the bases are different. So we have to do something else. This is where logs will come in. So I'm going to log both sides. Log, it doesn't matter your base, but let's leave it blank, which means 10. So log 2 to the x equals log 3. And we're going to use what's called the power rule. The power rule says this guy here can come down in front. This is one of the biggest strengths of logs. We can take that exponent or the power and bring it in front. So now I have x log 2 equals log 3. Log 2 is just a number. It is not something fancy and special, it's just a number. So I'm going to work it just like a number. So and log 2 divided by log 2 simplifies to 1. So x equals log 3 over log 2. I'm going to stop right here for a minute. This is a perfectly fine answer. You can use your calculator to get the numerical value of that, which I will not be doing. Okay, so we're just going to stop right here and call it good.